Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Booking Advisors travel consultancy app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Booking Advisors is a travel consultancy app designed to help users plan trips more efficiently with expert-backed guidance. The platform provides destination insights, itinerary recommendations, hotel suggestions, and personalized travel support based on user preferences. It aims to simplify travel planning by offering curated guidance instead of leaving users to search through multiple websites. The app is available on major mobile platforms and focuses on providing organized, advisory-style travel assistance. The app's main feature is its consultancy-driven interface. Users can explore destinations, check recommended hotels, and receive structured travel suggestions to streamline their planning. It also offers curated lists, budget-friendly options, and expert travel tips. For individuals who feel overwhelmed by researching multiple sources, this app helps centralize key travel information in one place. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean layout, personalized recommendations, and the convenience of receiving travel guidance without needing to consult multiple agencies. It is especially useful for new travelers, families planning vacations, and users seeking organized suggestions rather than unstructured search results. The app's travel consultants provide curated information that saves time and reduces confusion. However, there are some drawbacks. In some cases, users may find limited availability of consultants or slower response times during peak seasons. Additionally, the app may not cover all countries or travel categories equally, which could be restrictive for frequent travelers. Some users also report that certain recommendations depend heavily on availability and may change frequently, requiring constant rechecking. In summary, the Booking Advisors app may be worth using if you want streamlined travel planning, personalized recommendations, and curated guidance without doing extensive research yourself. However, if you prefer planning your trips independently, or if the app does not support your desired destinations, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.